So here's how to change background in Instagram story. We'll be starting off with the Instagram application. And as you can see, we're now in the Instagram homepage. From here, you need to tap on your story on the top left corner. After that, you can see the camera option right here. Tap on it. Now select Create from the options. You will then get to see something like this. Here, you can type in or make any changes that you want for your story. Then, tap on Next on the top right. Once you're here, tap on the color option on the top. And as you keep tapping on it repeatedly, you will notice that your background is being changed. Then, just select your story from the bottom and tap on Share Stories. Now, let's check out the story we just posted. And as you can see, the background of the Instagram story is set according to our preference. This way, you can change the background of your Instagram story to whatever color that you like.